Special 12-ounce char grill New York topped with marsala and mushroom. So what does she do? Just take a fish and smash it on there?
Yeah.
It looks like an imprint.
Quite a process of it, I think. But
what do you think, lady? What do you think?
I think it's pretty.
It is pretty.
She started this. She started doing these, and then she went over to Nordstrom's and was able to get them, and they were on aprons, I think.
Oh, really? That's pretty cool.
Okay.
So if you look out the window, there is a lot of smoke out there. That's because there's fires in Canada and we're getting it smoky. So what are y'all getting?
I'm getting Manila clams for sure.
Manila clams?
Oh, we have a happy hour? Yes.
Filipino Manila clams.
The thing is that Cherry's grandma has property just right up over there. We get so much of them. Buckets.
What is Manila? They're just clams. Like, yeah, they go around.
Big dirty city.
Are you guys talking about the clams?
Yeah, all the happy hours, the starters, right?
$4 on happy and $1 off you.
Manila clams, $15.
Yes, but they're $4 off because it's a happy hour.
Happy hour.
Happy hour.
Did I what?
Did you bring carrots with you?
Why would I bring carrots? What?
Do we have a coupon?
No,
I'm gonna do the clam chowder because I've been wanting clam chowder for a while. What did you get?
Clam chowder.
Oh yeah, me too.
And so I wanted to bring them down here.
We're from South Carolina and Texas.
Yes.
And South Dakota.
And Chicago. Chicago.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers to making it to Washington.
Awesome.
And good friends and family. Absolutely. Here at home,
I had to come all the way home
Anything
to
you
get
need.
seafood.
No, I was talking about what you say earlier
I don't know.
about your grandma.
Oh, because you were fiddling with your camera, and I said it's like waiting for my grandma to take a picture.
My battery was exhausted.
So was hers. Well, you have to have that whole thing. We'll ask them for more.
They only brought 2 pieces
No, I'll
for
ask
this
them.
big table. That's just weird.
Well, they're just so overly busy.
Oh, they brought 4 pieces. Oh, okay.
No, like
They already had one.
we had one,
Oh, okay.
but they didn't even bring one each. They brought like 4.
Oh yeah, it's missing.
Warren Avenue.
Oh.
I definitely
They
do
will
like
love
it
that.
thicker, but it has a lot in it. Very meaty.
It's kind of hard to get around.
That looks good.
Sometimes I go around the other
Chicken skewers, and that's the wedge salad. Another wedge salad.
Wow,
That looks
yummy.
yummy.
How was that chowder?
It was delicious.
We've got awards for it. Do you have cracked pepper? It is lamb. Oh yeah, so it's the best. Okay.
All
And
right.
some ketchup for my fries.
Ketchup's right there, my dear.
Oh, thank you, hon.
You're welcome. And I will get this water and fill that up for you.
So look at all the food. Ooh. Fish tacos, prawns.
There you go. Thank you.
Can we see your clam? Like,
You
what are
sure
they?
can. These are gorgeous. Vanilla clams. Yummy.
No, I'm fabulous. Thank you, hon.
Burger. And here is my steak salad. Doesn't that look yummy? Wait, does it have the dressing? Where's the dressing?
It's on there.
It is on there? Okay.
Built on.
I'm gonna need extra dressing, please.
It's built on.
It's built on, lady.
It's built on, but Jimmy says it's dressed, and I would believe it.
It's dry.
It's dressed. Steak.
What do you think,
Ooh.
Jimmy?
Yummy.
They're so good.
Oh, that's juicy. That's really good. Steak. Okay.
Clams.
Wait, calamari.
Clams and mushrooms.
Ooh, let me try one of your calamari.
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
And we're all kind of nibbling on them over here.
Oh, oh.
Wait, Jimmy, you want to try? Yeah, Dina wanted to know what the center was, and I said, did you finish chewing it yet or swallowing it yet? She said yes. So that's the body. That's like the stomach of the clam, and then there's a neck right here,
Oh.
and then a muscle. There's a muscle in there, a little bit of a muscle.
What was that? Fried zucchini?
Yummy.
Plate done. All the food was delicious. So the food was yummy, at least I know mine was, but if you're ever here in Silverdale, you should definitely try this place out.
Bar in town is now closed.
The oldest bar, wow.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
My mom's best friend's husband used to live up
Oh,
there
look.
upstairs.
Rest in peace.
I used to live above a bar in Chicago. It was a German bar though. It's like the Hansa Clipper.
Ooh.
There's the United States, South America.
Oh, that's cool.
Australia.
So this is the globe.
Zealand, right?
It's the world.
The world. And the sea is grassy.
Right up here where the little grass thing is, see?
Oh, that's the Puget Sound.
Yep, this is the Puget Sound.
The smoky Puget Sound.
Well, they're just
There's
like-
North America.
Not like
Yeah,
Country,
and that's the inlet, and then
Asia.
country.
Wait, where's the Philippines?
Here's Cuba.
the Philippines are over there.
Here, right here. Is that? No, that's Japan.
You're almost in.
Oh, I'm
on the
down here,
Philippines.
yeah. Down here somewhere.
It's here.
Oh, okay. A big blob right there.
Well, it should be like 600,000.
Yeah.
But look at that, they even have the Hawaiian.
It's
Australia, right?
Papua New Guinea. This is Australia.
Yeah.
This is Indonesia. This is Malaysia. This is Thailand.
Africa over there.
India. This is Sri Lanka.
Yes, we can walk around the world.
Wait, that's Africa over there, right?
This is
Yeah.
What are these little islands out here?
But that's the fastest you'll ever get around the world.
Right?
That's Russia.
I'm a world traveler.
Okay, they really messed up Scandinavia. Look at this.
I told you, it's just like a blob. Certain
This is
spots.
Norway. This is Sweden.
Oh,
this
I
is
didn't realize it was
Finland.
that far up there. Wow.
They skipped Denmark. Denmark's not there.
Hmm.
And look at how little Italy is. It's like,
It's still, it looks like a boot still, though.
it looks more like a boot now than
Look
it
Yeah.
at
normally.
a big boot with a high heel.
That's what it
Amazing
usually
it's still
looks
there
like.
and nobody's
Yeah,
ripped it
okay.
Yeah.
apart. Yeah.
Look, dessert after that yummy food.
Yum.
Ooh, give me that one right there. Can you grab it?
Crawl down in
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mmm. Oh, they're good.
Oh, here, these are easier.
Oh, sour.
Yeah, that one was a little sour.
Yeah, oh, that one's sour too.
No, they're all too firm.
Oh, this one looks good.
Oh, that one was good.
Oh, yeah, that looks really good.
Ooh, yum.
Mmm. Nope, sour. As I said, already.
They are kind of.
Yeah, sour. They're not
Oh,
ready.
there's some big fat ones right there.
Yeah, let's jump on the thorns.
Here, you go. I'll hold your leg.
Here, how about you just lay across it and I'll step on you to get to the good ones.
Pow!
Wow, what'd you find?
Did you find you a toy?
I
Is that
did.
you as a superhero?
Yes, it is.
Is that super? Oh, that is too cool. Oh, gotta save that.
Some little kid will find it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it'll be like some little kid's treasure, man. They'll be like what I found.
Bye, superhero girl.
Nightshade, right?
Nightshade.
Oh, those berries right there, they look like huckleberries.
Yeah, but they're not huckleberry. They're on a vine,
They're part of the same with the purple flower.
right.
and they're deadly,
Poisonous, yeah.
poisonous.
You can tell those are like brighter red, and
Yeah.
where huckleberry are kind of translucent.
Yeah,
lucid.
translucent.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then they're orange when
right.
before they turn red.
And they're actually a firmer berry too.
They are. I think they're actually really ripe earlier.
This would be a really beautiful spot if it wasn't so smoky.
yeah.
Let's just call it fog. Why is it so smoky?
Because we have fires in the Cascades, and then they're saying that this smoke is coming from BC.
Right, that's what I said earlier. It was from,
Yeah,
British Columbia.
Yeah, this is the second year we've
Or
had
Canada.
problems.
So if you look across the sound, or the peninsula or whatever, you can see the brand new house going in.
Are you kidding? I can't see nothing with the smoke.
Oh, okay, well, I'm going to tell you where my house is. So.
Oh,
If you go over a little ways,
Uh-huh.
and you see the brown house with like white trim,
Right, I'll zoom in.
we're just right to the left of that and up the hill
Okay, that brown house that you can barely see.
with all the white trim.
Yeah, so you're in front of that.
Just behind him, yeah.
Okay.
If I was in front of him, I'd be an ocean.
Ooh, look at free seaweed. Yum. Psych. Ooh, look at it's a clam. Cool. Alright, everybody, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound.